So we've got some unboxing to do here today. Two new rifles have arrived. We have the new or newish Daniel Defense Mark 18 from Double Eagle. I'm just going to take a quick look here. Get this out. New style mag with it as well. Let's get this out too. This mag actually feels really good. I'm not sure if it's the same as their new version 2P mags, but it feels really good. Looks like they're taking some hints from Guns Modify on how they do their mags, so it'll be interesting to see how that performs. We can whack that in the gun, and there we have the new Mark 18 from Double Eagle and EMG. It's got lovely trademarks on there all over. I've never actually felt Daniel Defense accessories before, but this grip, you've got like a rubberized section on top of the plastic section here, and it's really comfortable. Same with the stock, rubberized cheek sections here. Looks really promising. The gun is very sturdy. There's no wobble in the receivers at all, but you can still pop the pins out by hand. So that's very cool indeed. And then let's have a look at what's underneath it. So underneath it, we've got a another hard case from Salvo Precision. I ordered this a long time ago. This is their new BRN-180. Now, when I ordered it, I ordered the Deluxe edition, which is about $800 or so. But when I ordered it, I thought it was coming out pretty quick, and we've been waiting months and months for this thing to release. So it comes in a nice hard case, very nice indeed. You've got your manual and stuff in there. You've got some kind of barrel tool, maybe that's for disassembly. We have a Stanag type mag in the box. Looks very much like an MWS mag. Very cool indeed. We have a fold-in stock, much like the SIG stocks, but this one feels a hell of a lot sturdier than the Salvos, but we'll have to wait till we get it on the rifle to take a look at that, which is very nice. And then of course the BRN-180 gas blowback. This runs on the MWS system, and it's very unique looking. You've got sort of like a half style bolt, which has a huge carry hand, like sort of charging hand on the side, sorry. We've got their model BRN-180, the caliber markings. You've got this dust cover which can be sort of flipped up and sort of sat there to cover the back half of the receiver. And the reason why I went with the Deluxe edition is because it comes with the correct lower receiver. They do a cheaper version of this, but it has like a normal M4 receiver, which is fine. You've got like a Magpul K2 style copy. It's not the rubberized version, just the plastic version. And here we've got Brownells Inc. BRN-180 there. And this gun is absolutely solid. It feels fantastic. I'm glad I went with the Deluxe version. This is all CNC, which apparently we'll get to that in the actual review. But I just thought, because I'm not sure how quickly I'm going to be able to get to bench video in this stuff, because as you've seen from the latest release, I am working hard to get that the new Jaeger Impacts ready for next week for the launch. But I will get this on the bench. We'll look at it properly. We'll get the stock on there. We'll take a look at this thing and see how it performs. I think the only real thing I plan to change on this is the grip. But the gun feels absolutely fantastic. I kind of fell in love with the BRN-180 when I started playing Ready or Not with the guys on Discord. But like I say, it comes in a nice hard case. Nothing else really in there. I'm hoping it feels 10 times better than the MCXs, and the MCXs aren't bad. But it'll be interesting to see compatibility wise what's going on with it, and of course how the thing shoots out the box. Now we're probably going to chuck some upgrades in there at some point, but if this gun is as good as I hope it to be, this could be my new primary AR. Could replace the Tuxcan MCX, the Spear LT CSAW. We'll have to find out, but I'm looking forward to getting some more time on this. I just thought I'd do a quick unboxing to show you guys some interesting stuff coming up on the channel. And just keep an eye out for the benchtop reviews, and of course we're going to take these things out on the range and see what they perform like. So thanks for tuning as always, and from me, Salvo and Double Eagle. We'll be seeing you in the next video.